Welcome to the lecture series on adjectives. This lecture is about the addition of the prefix "me" to the adjective. The prefix "me" denotes a sentence in the active voice. It means that the subject of the sentence performs the action indicated, i.e., the subject acts upon its verb. These are the various "me" prefixes. The first one is me, M-E. This is used for adjectives beginning with the letters L, M, N, NY, R, Y, and W. The second prefix is mem, M-E-M, and this is used for adjectives beginning with the letters B, F, and P. Thirdly, we have the prefix men, M-E-N, which is used for adjectives beginning with the letters D, J, C, T, and Z. Fourthly, we have the prefix meng, M-E-N-G, used for adjectives beginning with the letters A, E, I, O, and U. These are the vowels, and G, H, and K. And lastly, we have menya, M-E-N-Y, and this is used for adjectives beginning with the letter S. Adding me to an adjective changes the adjective into a verb. Me plus panas, which is hot, becomes memanas, to become hotter. Me plus sejuk, cool, becomes menyejuk, to become colder. Me plus basah, wet, becomes membasah, to become wetter. Me plus kering, dry, becomes mengering, to become drier. Me plus lurus, straight, becomes melurus, to become straighter. And finally, me plus bengkok, crooked, becomes membengkok, to become more crooked. These are examples of me added to adjectives and its variations. Number 1, we have besar, and the verb form is membesar, which means to increase in size. Number 2, we have kecil, and the verb form is mengecil, which means to decrease in size. Number 3, we have panjang, which means long, and the verb form is memanjang, which means to become longer. Number 4, we have pendek. The verb form is memendek, which means to become shorter. Number 5 is keras, and the verb form is mengeras, which is to become harder. Number 6 is lembut. The verb form is melembut, and this means to become softer. Terima kasih. Thank you. I hope that you have been enlightened by this lecture on the addition of the prefix me to the adjective.